Today being Diwali, may this period of slowdown of life that normally happens on this planet lead to contemplation, meditation, rather than depression. Slowdown is fine if it's a positive slowdown. Slowdown is bad if it's a compelled slowdown, controlled slowdown from elsewhere. But if we consciously slow down and make use of it to recoup and rejuvenate ourselves, slowdown is fine. So may this period become a period of meditation, not of depression. It's wonderful that all of you are here today on a Diwali day.
अब मन बेकल होता है, काहे को तू सोता है। अब मन बेकल होता है, काहे को तू सोता है।